प्रियंका चोपड़ा आजकल दिखती हैं कॉस्मेटिक ब्रांड की क्रीम को एंडोर्स करते हुए। ये वही ब्रांड है जिसकी एडवर्टाइजमेंट पहले जेनेलिया डिसूजा करती हुई नजर आती थी, बट एवर सिंस जेनेलिया टाइड द नॉट वो इस ब्रांड की प्रमोशन में नजर नहीं आती हैं। उनकी जगह प्रियंका चोपड़ा बन गई हैं इस कॉस्मेटिक ब्रांड का न्यू फेस। लारा दत्ता को भी शादी के बाद एक हेयर ऑयल के एंडोर्समेंट से हाथ धोना पड़ा। जिस हेयर ऑयल को लारा काफी टाइम से एंडोर्स कर रही थी, अब उसकी एड में कंगना रनौत नजर आती हैं। इंटरनेशनल फेम पाने के बाद शिल्पा शेट्टी बन गई एक शैम्पू की ब्रांड एम्बेसडर, लेकिन राज कुंद्रा के साथ शादी करने के बाद इस ब्रांड को एंडोर्स करती दिखी बिपाशा बासु, सोनाक्षी सिन्हा और हॉटेस्ट फ्लेवर कटरीना कैफ। वैसे कई बार स्टार वैल्यू इतनी ज्यादा होती है कि शादी के बाद भी ब्रांड्स उनसे जुड़े रहना चाहते हैं। ऐश्वर्या राय बच्चन पोस्ट मैरिज भी एक इंटरनेशनल कॉस्मेटिक ब्रांड की एम्बेसडर बनी हुई हैं, लेकिन फिर भी ऐश की शादी के बाद उस ब्रांड ने सोनम कपूर जैसी यंग एंड स्टाइलिश एक्ट्रेस को भी एंडोर्समेंट के लिए साइन कर लिया। यानी ऐश जैसी बिग स्टार होने के बावजूद द ब्रांड मेड श्योर टू एसोसिएट विद अ फ्रेश फेस। वहीं न्यूबी सोनाक्षी सिन्हा ने तो कटरीना कैफ को भी कुछ ब्रांड एंडोर्समेंट्स में रिप्लेस किया है। भले ही कटरीना स्टिल नॉट मैरिड, लेकिन जब कैट और सलमान की ब्रेकअप और सोनाक्षी और सलमान की लिंकअप की स्टोरीज आई, लगभग तभी सोनाक्षी एड्स में देने लगी दिखाई। सोनाक्षी उस सोप और ज्वेलरी ब्रांड का फेस बन गई जो कभी कटरीना से जुड़े थे। यानी शादी के साथ रिलेशनशिप्स भी एक्ट्रेसेस की एंडोर्समेंट डील्स पर करता है डायरेक्ट असर। क्यों शादी के बाद एक्ट्रेसेस को नहीं मिलती एंडोर्समेंट्स इन एड फिल्म्स? Why are they perceived obsolete? Let's find out all the answers to our queries on Party Shati today with Page 3 and Bollywood expert Simi Chandok. Simi, welcome to the show.
Hi Supreet.
शादी के बाद ऐसा क्यों होता है कि हमारी हीरोइंस को इतनी एंडोर्समेंट्स नहीं मिल पाती?
Well, I think because जब उन्हें साइन किया जाता है as brand ambassadors, so they're obviously signing them for their star power, for their popularity, for their visibility. तो अगर आज प्रियंका चोपड़ा है, she's attractive, she's single, she's all over the place, right? तो she's going to get movies, she's going to get more brand endorsements. तो वो हर जगह दिखेंगी, उनकी visibility होगी, वो press में हर जगह दिखेंगी, मीडिया में active होंगी. So obviously the brand that she's endorsing is going to benefit from her visibility and her popularity everywhere. अगर एक actress की शादी हो जाती है and then she's on the family way which is natural, so chances are she's going to do less movies, means less visibility, means less publicity, less of media attention. So the brand is not going to benefit as much if the actress is a little laid back or at that time her priorities have changed. So it's not about being married or unmarried, it's more like, okay, now she's going to do less movies, she's going to get less work, and in case she's pregnant or whatever, she's not going to be doing as many movies and whatever. So that's the reason I think they lose out on brands. And अगर आप उल्टा देखते हैं तो जैसे मलाइका अरोड़ा खान है, she used to not get so many brand endorsements earlier, but right now she's out of that whole family thing where they know that she's done with her child and she's done with her marriage and everything. She's happily married, meaning she's past that stage, you know, where she needed to give time to her marriage or her child or whatever, and she's in good shape and she's made a comeback and she's getting more endorsements now. So it's not about being married or unmarried, it's about how visible or not so visible that they're going to be.
But mostly this perception is based on assumption, right? That once you get married, this is what will happen.
Well, usually होता तो ऐसे ही है. I mean, any girl who's getting married is going to plan a child. So for 9 months she's going to disappear, and that's the way it is. So जैसे काजोल है, she's making a comeback right now. So if she's in good shape, she might get the endorsements because again she's done with her family planning and everything. But then there are the younger girls who have just gotten married, so they tend to lose out. It's like Janila will probably start losing out right now. तो वो already अभी she's trying to grab everything. कहीं पे वो TV shows कर रही हैं, कहीं पे वो ads कर रहे हैं together. And frankly, Janila does not even need the money. She's married into such a wealthy family, and they're making enough money on their own. But it's like she's going to start losing out now because it's like she's married and very soon she's going to be on the family way and pictures तो मिलेंगी नहीं फिर इतनी. तो अगर comeback किया तो it's great, but otherwise I think they're being fair, don't you think so? Because वो उन्हें अगर पैसा दे रहे हैं endorsements के लिए, it's for their star power, right? And if it's not there, so I don't think the brand sponsors are being unfair. They're just being practical.
But don't you think somewhere it's a bit unfair that men don't have to go through it, married or not?
Well, because men don't need to take a break and they stay the same. And also, I think ये जो हमारे married stars हैं, जो आज brand ambassadors हैं for leading products, don't forget that ये जो brand endorsements का trend है, ये 10 साल पहले ही आया इंडिया में. तो at that time, whether it was an Amir Khan or a Shah Rukh Khan or a Hrithik Roshan, they were already married. So that's the way they came into the industry. So you cannot change that. So that's why I think it doesn't matter if the men are married, because जब तक ये trend आया और जो हमारे reigning superstars थे वो already married थे. So people accepted them the way they are, and there was no change, and there has been no change. They have the same body. If at all, they're looking better, they're looking younger thanks to all the workouts and the Botoxes and everything. So I think it's not changing for them because they don't need to take sabbaticals and they don't need to take breaks.
So maybe for women, the unmarried options are available, so the married ones lose out.
Yes, exactly.